Hello and welcome to the news button. For decades, India has dreamt of building something that only a handful of men can master. The indigenous fighter aircraft. The Kaveri program was born from this ambition. It faced formidable technological challenges, but it also gave India something invaluable: decades of experience in aero-engine design, metallurgy, testing, and propulsion technology. Now, the possibility of a Kaveri 2.0 is reviving the dream. If India succeeds, the impact will extend far beyond one engine. A successful indigenous high-performance engine could become the technological heart of India's next gen of combat aircrafts. It could support future variants of the Tejas, strengthen India's ambitions for the AMCA, and potentially power future unmanned combat aircrafts and other high performance platforms. But the strategic advantage goes even deeper. Developing a fighter engine forces a nation to master some of the world's most demanding technologies: single crystal turbine blades, high temperature materials, advanced coatings, precision manufacturing, combustion systems, digital engine controls, and sophisticated aerodynamics. In other words, a successful Kaveri 2.0 would create an entire ecosystem of advanced technology. And there is another crucial advantage: strategic autonomy, which we prize much more than anything in the 21st century. Today, India's fighter fleet relies substantially on imported or foreign origin propulsion technology. Indigenous capability would reduce vulnerability to export restrictions, geopolitical pressures, and supply chain disruptions. It would also give India greater freedom to design aircraft around its own operational requirements rather than designing around the limitations of an imported engine. Imagine an India where the airframe, radar, electronic warfare suite, weapons, avionics, and propulsion are increasingly designed and manufactured within the country. That would fundamentally change India's position in global aerospace hierarchy. Kaveri 2.0, therefore, is not merely about producing much more thrust. It is about producing technological confidence. If India can conquer the extraordinarily difficult science of the fighter engine, it will demonstrate that the country can master the entire chain of advanced aerospace engineering. The road will be long. The engineering challenges will be immense, almost insurmountable. But it has to be made possible. And success cannot be guaranteed. Still, we must try. But if Kaveri 2.0 finally delivers, it could do much more than powering an aircraft. It could power India's journey from being a major buyer of military aviation technology to becoming a major creator of it. It would be India's signature on the greater world of aerospace engineering. Kaveri's ultimate destination may not simply be the skies. It would be India's emergence as a genuine aerospace power. By succeeding in Kaveri 2.0, India will bridge the last mile obstacle on its path to becoming a genuine aerospace power. Before leaving, leave your comments in the comment section. And do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.